Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a more neutral makeup look for today. Yeah, I just recently got the kit from MAC in Allana Davison at ALLANARAMAA, and yeah, I want to do a look with it today. And honestly, it's a good assortment of products, and I think it's still available. And if you don't have a whole lot of MAC products, but you want to look into trying some products out but not sure where to start, these would be a good try. And you'll be able to see them on my face today. So if you want to see how I get that done, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is a moisturizing product, just because I do have dry skin. And the first product is actually from the MAC times Allana Davison kit, and it is the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Gold Light. It's just a nice shimmery moisturizer type of product. People use this for under their makeup, as well as some people mix it in with their foundation, and even from time to time. Alright, next I'm going to go in with my other primer, and it is the Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser, just to put on the areas of my face where my pores are just a little extra large. Now that my primer's on, I'm the weird person that likes to put on their primer and then move up to the eyes. I don't know why. I just like to have my priming base products just kind of sit for a few minutes and settle before I actually put any foundation or concealer on my face. So the next step, I'm going to move to the eyes, and I'm just going to prime with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. So now I'm just going to set my eyes before I put the eyeshadow on my face, and I'm just going to go in with my Becca loose powder on the eyes. Next I'm going to go in with eyeshadow. I'm just going to do a quick simple look today. And to achieve this look, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just going to take Real Gar right here and just put it all over my lid. Now that it's all over my lid kind of messily, I'm just going to dip really quickly back into Real Gar and just put it in the crease. Just to put in the crease and diffuse everything, I'm just going to grab Golden Ochre. Now that the eyes are kind of sloppily done, I'm just going to put concealer on spots where I need concealing on my face. I'm not going to put on foundation or anything like that today, just 2 concealers and call it a day. So, like I said, I'm just going to put it on spots on my face that I feel just need a little coverage. Now I'm going to go in with another concealer, and it's just going to go under my eyes and in other areas that need a little brightening, and I'm going to go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape. Alright, now that concealer's down, I'm going to go back in with my Becca Loose powder and put it in areas where I feel like it needs a setting, like under my eyes, around my nose, on my chin, a tiny bit on my forehead. Alright, now I'm going to go in with bronzer, and I'm going to use my Essence Sun Club bronzer. I'm trying to go through it, and it's so slow. I'm going to go in with highlighter now, and it's actually the next item that's in the MAC x Allana Davison kit, and it is the Extra Dimension Skin Finish in the shade Whisper of Guilt. I remember a couple years ago online when everybody begged for this product to be permanent because it was always in a limited edition collection, and finally they listened and they said yes. And so I've never actually had this in my collection, and I'm excited to put it on my face. Now to blend the highlighter and bronzer together, I'm going to go in blush, and I'm using the Makeup Forever B302 face color. Now I'm just gonna spray my face to help all the powders melt into my skin, and for that I'm gonna go in with the next item in the kit, which is the MAC Fix Plus Coconut. And I've never actually tried the coconut one before, so I'm excited to give it a whirl. Now that the base is done, I'm gonna go in and do my brows. And I'm not going to film this because I've already filmed this, so I will link it somewhere in this video. I'm going to go in with my Nudestix Eyebrow Stylus Pencil and Gel. So I'm just going to do these, and I'll be right back. Now my brows are on. They're large and in charge today, just the way I like them. So now we're going to move back to the eyes, and for that we're going to need to go back into my Modern Renaissance palette. Just for under the eyes, I'm just going to go in with Golden Ochre and put under my eyes so that there's a little something there, but not too over the top. Now for the brown bow highlight, I'm going to go in with Tempera. I'm actually going to go back in with Whisper of Guilt and put that in on the inner corner of my eyes. Alright, so now I'm going to go do my mascara routine. I also have that filmed, and so I will link that somewhere there for you. So first I go in with my Lancome Seals Booster XL, and then I go in with my Benefit Roller Lash, and honestly, they're a match made in heaven. Alright, now that my mascara is on, it's time to move to the lips. So the first thing I'm going to put on is actually also in the MAC x ALLANARAMAA kit, and it is the famous lip liner in the shade Strip Down. I've never owned Strip Down, but I did have Whirl, Soar, and one of my personal favorites is Cranberry, although you can't get it anymore, and MAC, I'm still mad about that. But this is super famous, so I am going to give this a try and put it all over my lips. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a gloss, and this is in the shade See Through. I've never tried the lip glasses before, like the OG lip glasses. I tried the mineralized lip glasses. My favorite was in the shade Be Nice, which again, another thing that I kind of wish MAC didn't discontinue, but here we are. So I'm just going to pop this on my lips and see how it goes. Last but not least, I'm going to set my face, and I'm just going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Spray and Set. Alright guys, that's it. This is the look I created today with the ALLANARAMAA Times MAC Cosmetics kit, and honestly, I think it's worth it. It's a lot of good products for a very discounted price, and I think there's some still available, so if it is still there, I will link it down below. And yeah, I really like this look. Really easy, quick eyeshadow look, and just all around just a nice wearable look. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!